Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss about how to use our ERP system for GMIT self-appraisal evaluation system. Initially, we need to log in this system using GMIT mail ID and password. Then a home page will appear like this. This home page contains 26 different segments. Out of these 26 segments, 13 segments for academics, 8 for research and 3 for institution or department development, 1 for HOD assessment and last one for principal assessment. And in this home page, we can see points allotted for these different segments. For any doubts regarding what to be entered for each segments, you can see the last column. That is, just click on the attachment in the last column. Say for example, I want to know about what should be attached for course file. Then click on the last column of the first row. Then you can see a picture like this, which contains all the informations about course file. Likewise, if you have any doubts regarding any of the segment, just click on the corresponding view button. In the left hand side, there are three main options. Part A for academics. There are 13 options are available in the part A. Part B for research, it has 8 sections, and part C, it has 3 sections. Now let's see how to enter details in the any section. Take an example, that is for example course file. Just click on the course file. To enter the course file details, either attach PDF of your course file or you can give URL of your course file. To do this, click on Add button and fill the required details, that is academic year, season and for which semester and department, subject and subject code, etc. Then the important thing is attachment. Just click on the attachment and attach the PDF files. Any format can be attached, I mean PDF, picture, Word, anything. If you have stored your course file somewhere in cloud, then you can just attach the URL. For example, I have attached 3 PDFs. To check it, just click on that attachment. We can see the attached file. So you can attach any number of files. I have given the URL of Google site. Just click on that to get the information about course file. Likewise, for each and every segment, attachment of file or URL can be entered. Let's see one more example, that is beyond syllabus. I have attached a URL. Upon clicking that, it will play a YouTube video. So you can make use of this attachment as well as URL to represent your activity. Those two options are available for all the segments. And one more advantage is at any point of time you can export your professional informations. Similarly, part 2. In the part 2, you can upload your journal papers, research works, so on. Next, let us see the options available for HODs. Now just log in as HOD. For HODs also, you can see first 3 segments. They can also enter their details in these segments. One more important option for them is evaluation. In this evaluation, there are 2 options, evaluate and evaluation result. Evaluate is used to evaluate the faculty. After the evaluation, the result can be obtained using evaluation result. In the evaluate section, they need to submit a particular academic year. Then the list of faculties of the particular department will appear. There will be marks allotted and it shows allocated marks and how much marks they have scored. The 0 indicates that the particular section is not evaluated. Say for example, click on this particular faculty, then you can see all 27 segments here. For each segment, they can see points allocated and points scored. For example, as a HOD, I want to evaluate the course file of the particular faculty, so click on the course file. Upon clicking on the file, the data entered by the particular faculty will appear here, and HODs can see the attachments and they can evaluate. For the marks entry, they need to click on the edit button and they can give the marks for particular selected section. This procedure is same for all the faculties. After completing evaluation, they can see the result using evaluation result. Upon clicking the name of the faculties, they can see the entire evaluation report like this. The blank indicates that that section is not evaluated. Similarly, principal also has same options, that is evaluate and evaluation. So like this, ERP tool can be used to store the documents, to store the achievement details and to evaluate the faculty. Thank you.